If you are a software engineer or planning to become one, then I want to ask one question from you.
5 years from today, do you want to be the person writing code?
Or the person deciding what gets built and why.
Because AI is changing software development faster than ever, today writing code is no longer enough.
The engineers who are growing the fastest are the one who understand.
Technology, business, customer, products, and AI.
And that is exactly why IIT Jodhpur MBA Technology caught my attention. So today, let's honestly review it.
Who is it for? Who should avoid it?
And is it actually worth considering?
Let's be honest. Most engineer thinks their career is about becoming a better coder.
But after few years, you realize promotions don't only happen just because you write better code. They happen because you can lead teams, understand customers,
Communicate with stakeholders.
and make business decisions. That is why company value engineers who understand technology and business. That is where IIT Jodhpur MBA Technology is totally different. Instead of teaching traditional MBA subjects,
The program combines management with technology and digital transformation. The focus is on preparing professionals for technology-led businesses where AI, analytics, and product thinking are becoming central to decision making.
this is 2-year MBA Technology program designed for working professionals. Some highlights include
Live online classes, IIT Jodhpur faculty, industry case studies, capstone projects, campus immersion, and peer learning.
So it isn't just recorded content, the learning is structured and interactive. The curriculum covers marketing, finance, strategy and operations. Along with this future focused topics, artificial intelligence, business analytics, digital enterprise, innovation and product management. There are also specialization pathway in analytics, AI and digital product management. And for software engineer, this combinations makes a lot sense.
Now the important question.
Should every software engineer do this MBA? A big no. If you are still in college, focus on building technical skills first. But if you already have work experience and want to move towards product management, consulting, engineering, leadership, technology management, and entrepreneurship, then this program is definitely worth exploring. Personally, I like these three things. First, it doesn't treat technology as a separate subject. Technology is a part of every business discussion now. Second, the IIT ecosystem, campus immersion, faculty, and alumni network.
Third, the curriculum feel much more aligned where the tech industry is heading.
Would I recommend you joining just because it's a IIT? No, I would recommend it only if your goal is to grow purely beyond technical roles. As always, don't choose any MBA just because an influencer recommended it. Read the complete curriculum, compare it with other programs, check whether the career goal is aligned or not. And if you're watching this video till now, then you can register for the IIT Jodhpur entrance test for just ₹999. I have added official application link in the description below. Go through all the details and check the eligibility and then make an informed decision. If you find this review helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments.
Would you rather become a better coder or a technology leader?